Good morning, it's John here. Here's another one of those boxes that I made. Just cleaning it up a little bit here. This one's out of white oak, and I carved the handles out of vermilion. I forget where I got that. And then I did the bridle joint on the lid here, and then the one big dovetail here, and then here I just did a raised panel type solid piece, but it's all white oak. And then this one I felt lined. The other one had a cedar bottom, and then I've got a walnut dovetailed. Put rings in here. It's just a couple dowels with walnut wedge. You can, with felt wrapped around it, to stuff your rings in. But yeah, it's got, this one is real similar to the James Krenov's box that he made. I forget the wood that he made, but he did he carved the handles like that. I did a little better job on the latch on the lock mortise on this one. Didn't get as wild, but yeah, it's kind of a, I don't know how many of these I've made, but just kind of a cute little box. Alrighty. You have a good one. God bless.